Hello and welcome to the Little Mansion Garden. About 10 years ago, we stumbled across a tumbling down cottage that had been used as a cowshed for many years, and it was for sale. We were lucky enough to be able to buy it, and we then spent the next 10 years renovating it. It's now a beautiful home and we love living here. Outside was originally just a slope, and one of our first priorities after doing the inside of the house was to create our future garden. We created this patio area here. And set about planting up lots of beautiful beds. Created this amazing covered bridge. And the plan is to grow climbing plants all across the top of it. I created this lovely pond, digging the whole thing out by hand, a lot of work. This pond has been the best thing we've added to the garden. It's just attracted so much wildlife. There are lots of videos on the channel documenting our progress. Many of them featuring Milo. There are tours of other gardens from around the world. And various random bits and bobs. There's still a lot to do, so click that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.